Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In the last video we have seen about an introduction on GIS and remote sensing, and in the last in this tutorial we have seen about what mean GIS, what is the importance of learning GIS, and we have seen also about the map scale, and the main elements of GIS and remote sensing. And also we have seen about data formats when we are storing our captured data in GIS. Therefore, from this today we will see some practical aspects on the previous introduction, and I hope today we will see about what type of data are available in GIS, and we will see how to get information from a map. In addition we will do some query, some query in GIS. So in order to do that, you should have to have a data, maybe vector or raster format, as we have seen last time. So let me add for instance for this tutorial from this one, and let me add the Bayesian shape file. Add here. Okay, this is a Bayesian shape file, and in order to know some information, actually we can get information about this added map by clicking on this Bayesian file. Right click here, go to this property, and there are this is actually the layer property. This is under general. We can get the name of the layer, that is by the Bayesian, and under the source basically you can get information about this map from the source. Therefore we can get the extents of the map. Okay, the top extent is this much meter, the left extent is this one, and the bottom extent is this much, and the right extent is this one. You can get the top, left, right, and bottom extents of your map. In addition, we can get that the data type is a shape file. You see, this file is a shape file, and also we can have geometric type is a polygon, the projected coordinate system, a projected coordinates of world Mercator, and actually this the geographic coordinate system is WGCS WGS 9084, actually for Ethiopian. You can also get some such projection systems in these sources. Therefore we can have those information from this source. Okay, one thing. In addition, we can get some information about this map by using this identifying tool. You can have you can use this identify, for instance. So click on that and click on this. You see, actually we have the locations of this identified or selected feature. Actually, FID is one, the shape is polygon, and the name is Bellas. The area of this selected feature is this one, and the like. So we can have an information, we can get an information for those selected these FIDs 12. Actually you can get these FIDs from this open attribute table. So if you maximize it, okay, if you increase this one, you can have this area is this one for the case of polygon 1. If you see here, the selected one. So the area of this selected one is already indicated here. Okay, so we can have such information from by using this identifying tool. So in order to clear those the selected one, you can use this one. You can select by using this icon. Yeah, by using this, for instance, I can select this one or this one in the likes. And in order to select multiple polygons, should have to use control. Yeah, for instance, press control, and you can use, I mean, yeah, control plus shift, control plus shift. You can use uh, those two keyboards from your laptop or desktop, and you can select multiple polygons at once in such a way. So having this, you can as I have indicated here, we can get information using this identifying tool. All right. And the other thing that you may know, maybe I would like to select from this subbasins. Actually, those are the subbasins available in Abai basin, and I would like to select areas, or I would like to do query, for instance. Let me start a query. Yeah. So I should prepare some boundary conditions. Yeah, for instance, we have the area here. So I would make an interest to know an area which has greater than 10,000, for instance. Let me select with ascending or descending order. Okay, so if you see from this area, the area for the first one is 20,861 hectare, and for this one is 90,735 in the lake. So I would like to select areas which has uh, greater than 10,000 is kilometer square, sorry, not hectare. So I would like to select by using in such a way. Okay, if you see here, those selected areas except those watersheds, that means this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. The other sub watersheds has an area of greater than 10,000 kilometers square. In universe, we can select watersheds which has less than 10,000 square kilometer. Yeah, in the Abai watershed. So I mean Abai basin. Therefore, you can do uh, such queries using attribute table, from the attribute table in such a way. And also we can have an access to export those things. For instance, if I have an interest, okay, if I have an interest to do to export those areas which has an area of less than 10,000 kilometers square. Okay, so right click on this and say data here, go to this data, export the data. Yeah, and you can have you should have to provide the locations of your output after you are exporting it. For instance, I would like to stay with this, and you can have this one. Okay, so export select feature, we can select all features or the selected feature. I would like to export these the selected ones, and say okay here. Yeah, okay, so let me give the name as for instance uh, which is less than less than 10,000 kilometers square. Okay, 10,000 kilometers square. And you should have to select the save as type here. It should be shapefile, because this one is a shapefile, as you have seen before. from the source. Yeah, therefore a square kilometer, actually this one is SQM, square kilometer, and you should have to save your work. Okay, and say okay. Now it is exporting. Yes, I would like to it says that, do you want to add the exporter data to the map as a layer? Yes, I would like to see it on the table of content. And if you make it inactive, those areas or sub-basins from the by basin are available here, which is less than that of 10,000 square kilometer. Therefore we can do queries in such a way under ArcGIS. Therefore we can have an access also to visualize or to change. For instance, let me uncheck this one. If you have select this one, and if you have an interest to change the color for each sub-basins, you can go to the symbology as well. Okay, and we can do we can go to this categorize. Okay, we can go to this categorize by name, add alls. Therefore by their names we can apply and see which is Angara, Bellas, Bashelo, and the likes. Okay, Fincha. So we can have a way of doing such things under ArcGIS. In addition, we can do definition queries here. Okay, in a similar way with this one. So let us build a query here. I would like to know the area. Yeah, based on area, greater than or less than. For instance, let me say that areas which is less than or equals to, for instance, this 800 8,594 square kilometer, and I will click on this, say OK, and I would like to say apply. Okay, you see, in a similar way with the previous one, you can have those watersheds which in which their area is less than that of 10,000. Okay, therefore you should have to do a query. Yeah, under this property we can do a query from this one. We can change the symbols, or we can represent based on their name as well, their values. Those are the sub-watershed which in which their area is less than 10,000. You can also see the sources. We can select based on their based on your specific criteria. You can get information from this source. Yeah, what the information, what the maps looks like, or such alike. Therefore we can do such things under ArcGIS. Therefore this is a practical one from which is on the introduction to GIS and remote sensing, application of GIS and remote sensing. And for the coming video we will see about the coordinate system, map projection, and georeferencing of different maps. We will see that in the coming video. And today it is enough. I hope you have get some introduction for newcomers, I mean new users for the GIS. Okay, thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, this give value for water. Yeah, don't forget that. Thank you for your time. Bye.